Hiya, I'm Samantha and welcome back to my channel. Can you guess what day of the week it is? You probably can't based off of my jersey, but it is a Saturday in the fall and it's not just any Saturday in the fall. It is Vols versus the Gators. First time that I've lived in the state of Florida being a Tennessee fan, and I'm super pumped because UCF actually played last night, so today I just get to enjoy being a fan of my alma mater, and so I'm going to make the most of it. I'm actually going to do a fall craft, which is the whole reason why we're doing this video. It may not feel like fall outside, but it sure feels like it and smells like it in here. I got my favorite fall candles going, and today we're going to be making a fun football themed wreath. Of course, you can do whatever teams you want. I chose to do my Vols, of course, and the Miami Dolphins because I grew up a Miami Dolphins fan, and of course I gotta put the Knights on there as well, so you'll see all three of those teams on my wreath. But let's go ahead and get crafting. Go ahead and pour yourself, you can pour yourself a mimosa too. I put mine in this football cup. It has my name on one side, and then of course it's a weekend in the fall, so you gotta have buffalo chicken dip on hand. So let's go ahead and get crafting, you guys.
To get started, I laid out all of the items I might be using for this wreath, but I knew I wanted to start with the basics and add on. So to get started, I wrapped the wreath with burlap, and at the start I hot glued the burlap to the end of what I had wrapped around so that it was easy to stay attached despite any weather. Next, anything I knew I wanted painted to match the colors of my team, I painted so that they would be dry by the time it was time to attach them to the wreath. So it's time to get rid of that red. Since the wreath will be outside on my front porch, I wanted to light up some, so I got some tiny lights to add a little pop and wrap them around as I did the burlap. I then put the battery holder between the burlap and the wreath to hold it in place. Next, it's fall. Let's add some fall colors. I got a few branches from Hobby Lobby with fall colors and pumpkins, and I weaved them into the wreath. Now let's get that hot glue gun and a lot of glue sticks ready. And I said a lot of glue sticks. It's time to put some football decorations on. I started with the plain footballs, and then I could always add the teams on top of those. I also figured adding turf would give this a football feel, so I got the turf at Hobby Lobby as well, and I just cut strips of it and added it around a couple of the footballs. But let's add the team gear now. I got this UCF bead necklace from Walmart just down the street, and I used the beads as also a holster to really secure in that battery pack for the lights. I then painted the letter D orange since two of the teams have orange, and I found a fence to make defense. Get it? Ha! I then added various buttons and wooden dolphins or helmets or anything else that I found and painted them to support my teams. I also bought letters to spell out Go Big Orange and Vols, since living in Florida, you can't find many Tennessee things here.
Alright, you guys, it is now finished. I am so excited to have done this wreath with you guys. I was really excited for this one because I love football. I love anything that's fall oriented, and so I was really excited for this one. But I hope you enjoyed this video, making this wreath with me. Like I said, you can choose whatever teams you want. I just chose my alma mater, the school that I work for now, and also the NFL team that I've loved ever since I was a little girl. But you can choose whoever you want. As you can see, I put some lights on there, so I'll video that. As you can see right here, what it looks like at night once it's lit up and on the front door. And so, like I said, you can choose whatever teams you want. I just chose my alma mater, the school that I work for now, and also the NFL team that I've loved ever since I was a little girl. But like I said, choose whatever teams you want. It doesn't even have to be fall for football. You can do one in the winter and do hockey or do baseball, whatever you want to do. Anyways, back on track. If you did in fact like this video and you had fun making your own wreath, don't forget to let me know down in the comments. I love hearing from you guys, and if there's a video that you want to see me do, or if there's a craft that you're like, hey, this would be a cool idea, I'd love to see you make something like this, then let me know down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And if you did in fact like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and I would really appreciate that, as I appreciate you watching this video. And if you want to watch more of my videos, don't forget to hit that little bell down below so you can subscribe and get notified every time I post a new video. I do a lot of different lifestyle kind of videos. I do anything from travel to cooking, crafts, and I even do some product reviews. So don't forget to hit that subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And again, thanks you guys for watching. Until next time, bye. All right, you guys, here is the finished product. My voice cracked, but I hope that you enjoyed. Oh my God, hot glue on my face. It's fine. It's all over my fingers. So if you like doing some messy arts and crafts down below, let me know, because this one was for you. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate that. Like, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. And if you do want to watch more of my videos, don't forget to hit that little bell, little notification thing down there. That's how you subscribe to my channel, and you will get notified every time that I post a new video. What am I doing with my hands? Act like I've never been on camera. Or don't forget to hit that little bell so that you can, did you like my little bell? My little bell? Or don't forget to hit the little bell so that you can get notified every time that I post a new video, so you can subscribe. So you can subscribe.